always need to name it. And having a great name can really help a company grow, can really help users understand what it is your company does and what they represent immediately. So to create a great name, you need to have a brief of what your company is going to be and what you want the name to represent. My name is Stephen Titchener, and in this video, I'm going to tell you how to create a brief for naming your company. The first section is the what, and this is simply just talking about what your company does. It can be a few bullet points, or it can be a simple sentence. So for me, it'd be, I create brand strategies and custom-built websites. That's as simple as that section needs to be. Next is your positioning. So where are you going to position yourselves in terms of the tone of the name and in terms of the tone of the brand overall? So are you going to be authoritative? Are you going to be fun? Are you going to be friendly? What exactly are you trying to convey from your brand? The next section is your naming criteria. This is where you're going to talk about what it is your name wants to have in it. Is it going to be abstract like Apple, or is it going to be more a product description like Computer Co? You can also start by talking about what you don't want in your name. If you don't want any silly words, or if you don't want it to have O's in it or something like that. You've got to think about the positioning is more of the emotive side, and the naming criteria is more of the facts, cold hard fact side. Joining these together, and it creates a great way to start thinking about where the name is headed. The next section is going to be fairly small, and it's very similar to the positioning section, but it is just as important, and that's tonality. So you need to start thinking about, what do you want your name to sound like? Is it going to sound fun and poppy like Popo, or is it going to have a more authoritative sound to it? The next section is the competitor names. So have a look at all your competitors and see what their names are like. Maybe there's a gap in the market for a certain branding that everyone else hasn't done, or maybe you want to follow in a similar vein to what they're doing already. These are the questions you need to look at, and you need to really research your competitors to see what everyone else is doing. And that's it. That's a very basic naming brief. But if you fill in all these sections, you're really going to start to help yourself and your group to focus down on what the name needs to be. And it's going to save you a lot of time and end up in resulting a better name for your business. If you like this video, please click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time. That's it for this video. I hope you've learned some great tips that you can bring into your YouTube channel to bring you the great success. And let me know down in the comments below what your channel is, and I'll give it a look and see what I think. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, thanks.